Step into the Kia 2019 Stinger GT2. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.